What's going on, guys? Junior here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube again with another truck build off, and this time we're with Alex from FI.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Alex. I'm over from Fitment Industries and I am taking part in this custom offsets video, which is weird right from the get-go because I have a videographer wearing gloves that reminds me of a 6th grade like cafeteria lunch lady, and I got Jared standing behind the camera probably 7.5 feet away because social distancing is important.
We're doing a build off. Me versus Alex. We have 5 minutes to build a truck. I don't even know what we're building, so I guess, what are we building, and let's go.
08?
Any 08 truck.
Like 2008?
Yep.
All right, I'm going with the Chevy because the 08 F-150s had 3-valve in them and they weren't very reliable.
That's just like, it's so open and it has to be a truck. So not a Freightliner. Let's go here. Let's see what a 2008.
So basically I'm gonna pretty much just build Banker's truck because he's got except for Duramax, he's got a 6-inch lift, he's got 12 wides and he's got 35s, and he's fine.
Hold on, I gotta open up a separate tab to make sure I know what this looks like. I can't help that I want to build something cool, all right? That is ugly. I'm not building that.
I was looking for like an all-terrain or like a RTXT just because if I'm daily driving it, I want it to be something that lasts a while.
Hold on. I want you guys to know that I still haven't even started the build yet.
I don't know that I want to spend $5 grand on a BDS, although it would be good for a daily driver because you want it to be comfy. Damn, this is hard.
Small little Anthem boys. That's good. Leveling kit? Well, we don't know about that yet. We're gonna add some tires.
Shocks, I might as well go with the dual NX2s.
33s? Nah, we're gonna do 35s. Made of ridge grapplers. They're like the chicken flavored ramen of the truck tire industry. You can never go wrong with some ridge graps.
And then what are we gonna do for wheels? I'm going 24/12s.
Sort high to low. How much time do I have?
You have 1 minute.
Are you joking my ass?
Duramax sitting on coilovers with 22s. Alex isn't gonna beat this.
I'm gonna do a 4-inch lift.
Okay, so how did your build go?
Don't tell me.
I'm asking you.
It went great. It was probably the best build in the world.
Did you run into any setbacks?
In the nation,
while choosing?
Probably the best trade deal.
Okay, Trump.
Best build that this world has ever seen. I don't think we've ever seen a build like it before.
Okay, what'd you go with?
It was a 2008 Taco with
2008?
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
I was like, don't even. That was an option. You leave me alone. I went with some 18-inch Anthem Intimidators on some 35 Nitto Ridge Graps, and then an Icon. It looked like a coilover lift kit that had an adjustable.
How tall was it?
It was like 0 to 3.5, and then 0 to 2.75 or something like that. So I'm assuming it has a different front and rear lift variance potential to give it some like pre-runner look and stuff like that. So I mean the 18s and the 35s.
35s on a 2.5-inch lift kit?
No, on a 3-inch. Just a big boy, you know.
How much did this cost you?
$8,000. Probably more than what a Tacoma in 2008. Like how much you could get them for now.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
All right, I also
Oh, you have to look at your phone? Oh.
Well, I also spent about $8,000, but I got a lot more out of mine. I went with a 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax. Put some 22x12 TS 547s on there with some 12.5 Fury RTs. Because you know, I gotta go with the RT so you can like daily drive it, because daily drive's the thing. 6.5-inch BDS coilover lift kit.
So you got what everyone else in the world gets.
You know how good that's gonna look compared to your little level Tacoma though?
You wanna know the difference though? That was like the Wonder Bread of truck builds, is what you just did.
That
you did
is
what
like
everybody else would have done. I want a 6.5-inch on a Chevy 2500. And what'd you get? What size tires? 35s?
35s.
What size wheels?
22/12.
Typical.
It's
typical.
Gonna fit. It's a daily driver.
So typical.
You can't go.
I feel like you're the type of guy
that
that goes home and is gonna have a PB&J for lunch. And
Doesn't
tonight you're
sound
gonna
bad.
have some grilled chicken on the grill because you're just living large.
That's
at home
fine. Go
right
make
now.
your ramen noodles. That's cool
I will
too.
make my. Here's the thing. It wasn't my money, and I was going cheap until the coilovers.
You
because
didn't
the
go
coilovers
cheap,
look
though.
so cool. I just couldn't get over the fact that like trucks have coilovers.
I thought I
now.
was screwed at first because you're gonna go price point. And I was like, oh no, there's no way that he's
See,
gonna.
I was
end up-
gonna go price point, and then I realized you
Yeah.
get $5,000 coilover kit from Icon. Now, to be fair, probably not needed in a truck that now costs probably about $10,000. I mean, if I were to go back, if it was actually my money, I probably would have gone with something like, probably just like a rough country or a zone or something
Yeah.
like that. Just like budget to keep it easy. But like, 2008 wasn't a good year, I think, for trucks. I don't know if you've looked back. They don't age that well. It was in between the early 2000s of everything being
08
bubbly and
Sierras,
weird
Silverados
and
more
2010 before everything got angry. You look at like a 2500 front end.
Here's the
They
issue.
look all the same.
The 08 Silverado is the same from 08
to
until
like 14,
14,
isn't it?
Yeah.
So they
07.
look dated for 6 years.
Yeah, right.
That's pretty much what you're telling me.
So screwed either way.
The
at that
tacos
point.
didn't do much better, but like they're just, I don't know, they look more fun. I feel like when you did like the same, six
Yeah,
and a
but it's
half
gonna look
inch,
good.
yes, 2212,
Throw a tuner on there, make it 100
35. You
horsepower.
can't buy tuner. That wasn't an option.
Maybe it came with one.
In
Got it
which
from a
case,
dealership.
my build is now still more budget friendly than yours.
Mine's still faster and can tow more.
Tow more. See, and then you're gonna be the type of guy that has a 250,000 mile 2500 HD that you're gonna put on Craigslist for $28,000 because it's a diesel, and some old diesels just don't lose value. Like diesels are the Lotus Elise owner of the truck world. We're like, it's always $30,000. It is always $30,000 no matter what. And it's like, but it's a rust bucket, and there's not even a bet on it. 30,000.
Doesn't matter.
Diesel. It's a diesel.
Motors only got 350,000.
Every single Instagram owner's got the picture of the diesel like logo on the side, just so everybody knows it's a diesel.
Well,
I will say this:
The 08s too have a little cowl on the hood that's got the little Duramax logo.
the little like on the side, doesn't
Yep.
like Allison?
I
or-
think Allison
that
and
too.
Duramax or both. Or I don't know.
But I will say the new TISs are nice, right? Because you went with the new one that was
Yep.
released at SEMA in 2019. The new TIS wheels do look good. Like out of all of them, I think the new TIS wheel lineup is actually nice because the 544s are cool, but it's nice to see that something new is coming out of TIS.
Yeah.
It's actually made good. So I'll give you that. I'll give you that.
And the new Fury RT tires. There's a
Well,
lot of
yeah,
new
I mean,
going
yeah,
on.
yeah,
It's
I
not
mean,
like
you-
it's like a basic like
yeah,
same
yeah,
wheels as
yeah,
everything.
yeah. Okay, if you're nobody. Okay, let me. There's a couple people that will care about tires, but most people in the truck scene, I don't know, would really.
But if you're cognizant of it being a daily driver, though, I think you're a little bit more worried about tire choice.
I feel like they're more worried about people having to explain to people that they didn't buy Nitto Ridge Graph. They'd be like, "So you get the Nidge Graph? Ah, no, I got a new tire." It's like then you got to go explain the whole thing, and it just sounds like a lot of work. Like you say, "Yeah, I got the Ridge Graphs," and it's like, "Oh, so you got the tried and true." With the small wheel, big tire, adjustable coilover, Tacoma that looks like it could do a lot of stuff, but ultimately, you and I both know, just like 90% of the people out there, you're not gonna do shit with it. You're gonna
All
drive
right.
it around town.
We're gonna let you guys
and it's
vote
gonna look
now.
awesome. Tell me, you guys have to tell me. I mean, there's gonna be trucks that you're gonna work on, and then there's gonna be trucks that you just want to look good. Okay, I know a lot of trucks that are pre-runner status that have never pre-run in their life. They haven't even ran before. They just sit there and look really pretty on Instagram. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the truck scene is way different than the car scene, but I know there are a couple people that build those trucks that don't use them for their intended purpose, and I'm okay with that. I accept that. I just don't know if everybody's ready for that sort of self-awakening yet. But anyway, you guys let us know if I am way off my rocker, but I think it's cool.
We're gonna have this up on our YouTube community, IG stories. Comment below as well who won, me or Alex. Hopefully we'll get like a little bit of render of the truck to pop up here, show kind of what he's building as like an image, what I'm building, kind of so you can see it. But
I'm gonna pay Zach to make mine look better. And I'm
the
gonna
good news is mine's probably in the gallery about 50,000 times, so it won't be very hard to find it.
That's true, because everybody's like, you wanna know what I wanna get in 2008? I wanna get a really bad rendition of a Rihanna song, and I would love a Chevy 1500.
That's what I got for you guys. You can check all of us out and more at customoffsets.com. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
Peace.